guys, welcome to Nick and Cameron YouTube channel. You guys may have seen Nick's 1969 VW Camper in previous videos, but it's got some stuff done to it recently. So as far as the interior, what has gone on since the last update, Nick?
Alright, so the major thing that's gone down is we've added the pop top. Before it was all not painted. Yeah, it was just a skeleton of it, and we didn't have the props. So yeah, we added the pop top. That's very neat. It just changes the whole vibe of the bus, kind of, because like when you lift it up on a sunny day, just yellow light comes in. It's really cool. We also added curtains, and yeah, so we added curtains, new curtains. We had curtains before, but there's new ones, and there's also the sliding door curtain. I didn't have that before, and also front curtains, which aren't in right now, but I have front curtains now, so that's really cool. What else, Jacob?
So I know you have done some mechanical work. He's got some big mechanical work around back on the engine. What has gone on since then?
So in the engine, should we just go around and look at it?
Yeah, we'll go take a look. What's up, guys? Back at the engine here. Nick has done a lot of new stuff. Let's see what he has to say.
All right, so most visibly, we added a new cold air intake, so you're not just inhaling hot air while it's on a hot day. Other cooling system parts we added, you might notice it's a different fan shroud. It's doghouse now, so better cooling for those hot summer days. We also added, if you look under here, you might be able to see just barely, probably not. We added a thermostat, which means it'll be better on those cold mornings. But the most notable difference, it's a new long, or not a new long block. We rebuilt the long block, so the whole engine's rebuilt. It's got new heads, and it was also upgraded from 1600 cc to 1641. So overall, it should just be a tiny bit more powerful. But the main reason we did that is because it blew up last time, and yeah, so it can't run with rod knock. So.
Okay, what's up, guys? We're back in the interior now. What have you done recently, Nick?
All right, so some notable differences. I added the filler hose for the sink, so now I can actually fill this up with water, and then the sink pumps just fine. Some problems with that is I don't want to lug around water, so I don't really use it. Also, the water is really dirty and old, so there's not really too many good reasons to use it. I could just get like a water jug and bring it with me if I'm going camping, so that's most notable. I also I don't remember what was on the last update, but I added heaters, so now it heats the front. I added a new radio, also my turn signals. The switch is real janky. Besides that, not much has gone down with it too much, besides the pop top, which is just, look at this is great. I can stand up, arms up fully.
Reach all the way up.
Other notable things about the interior, though, is it's got a sink, it's got a fridge. I have a 12-pack of soda just sitting in here. Other cool things. Good thing I got that grody-ass sandwich out of there since last time. It's like green. Yeah, I took this on a road trip to the Pleas, which is like a 4-hour drive, all on the freeway. So. Well, most of it's on the freeway, and I got up to around 85 miles an hour at my top speed. It clocked out the speedometer, which goes above 90 miles per hour, but I think the speedo's off by 10 miles an hour, because but yeah, it went dangerously fast, and then a wind gust came from the side.
So any new plans with the bus, Nick?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to do. I want to take this thing off-roading. Do the whole spiel. I don't quite have the financial stability to get big old tires on it or anything. So I'm gonna just rock it with what it's got. Cameron's of course got a ZR2 Sonoma, and
there may be a very exciting project coming soon with 4 wheels. It's an off-roader. It's going to be really fun if we get it. Leave a comment down below what you guys think we're getting our new off-road project car. Oh, may have gave too much.
And we might send you something if you guess the right
We'll send
thing.
you a special present.
Wink, wink.
Okay, Nick, you mind if we take it for a little drive now?
Yeah, I do mind. I don't want you driving in it.
Okay, we're gonna take it for a ride.
Hey! 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 Safety first.
Putting my seatbelt on.
Early bay windows, or all bay windows, have just the stupidest seatbelts. All right, we driving?
Roll. And there's Cameron. How you doing, Cameron?
Good.
Oh man, that was just a scratcher. We'll see you guys on the road. Okay, we're on the road.
There's a nice box back.
Heading down the road here. How do you like the new engine, Nick?
It drives pretty good. I still haven't adjusted the idle on the carb, so it likes to stall a little bit. Other than that, it's real smooth. I haven't had any issues so far.
Riding pretty good. Okay guys, probably gonna wrap this one up, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, please. That would really mean a lot to us. And check out our Instagram at Jacob_and_Cameron. You guys can see a post about this pretty soon on there.
Got 2 underscores.